The first biennial meet of BIMSTEC India Marine Research Network was held in which Indian city? Answer is 3. Kochi. India's UPI partners with which countries EFTS specifically through Fori Plus service enabling users in both countries to send and receive money instantly and securely? Answer is 1. Bahrain. An eminent poet and lyricist, author of the Telangana state song, Jaya Jaya Hai Telangana, who passed away in Hyderabad at the age of 64 on 10th November was? Answer is 2. Ande Vallano known as Ande Shri. Which Indian state has approved a bill to ban polygamy in 2025? Answer is 3. Assam. What is the name of BSF's valiant tracker dog who was honored with the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel RRU National K9 Bravery Award 2025? Answer is 1. Babita. Which Indian state was celebrating its 25th Foundation Day on 9th November 2025 as it was formed in the year 2000? Answer is 3. Uttarakhand. Which Indian military force has organized its first ever full-scale air show in Guwahati to mark the celebrations of 93rd anniversary on 9th November? Answer is 2. Indian Air Force. The Narcotics Control Bureau NCB has achieved the conviction of how many drug traffickers in 103 narcotics drugs and psychotropic substances NDPS cases as of 9th November 2025? Answer is 1. 219 drug traffickers. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has laid the foundation stone for which state's first technical and vocational university on 8th November? Answer is 2. Assam. Which state has secured the first position in the Best State category of the 6th National Water Awards for 2024? Answer is 1. Maharashtra. Which Indian state has approved plans to establish old age home in every district of the state to reaffirm their commitment in uplifting vulnerable groups? Answer is 3. Nagaland. The Union Ministry of Textiles has sanctioned 51 lakh rupees under the wool processing scheme for the distribution and procurement of 100 more looms for which Indian state? Answer is 3. Jammu and Kashmir. The 17th edition of the India Game Developer Conference IGDC was held in which Indian city from 5 to 7th November? Answer is 2. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Bhutan to attend the 70th birthday celebrations of Bhutan's fourth king, namely? Answer is 1. Jigme Singhe Wangchuk. Which day is observed annually on 14 November to mark the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is 2. Children's Day. On which day National Constitution Day is celebrated every year to commemorate the adoption of Indian Constitution in 1949? Answer is 326 November. How many international delegates have witnessed poll arrangement made for the Bihar Legislative Assembly election by the ECI? Answer is 316. What is the name of Gujarat Chief Minister who inaugurated Bharat Parv, a 15-day cultural convergence celebrating India's diversity at Ekta Nagar? Answer is 1. Bhupendra Patel. When did National Capital Delhi celebrate its 70th Foundation Day to mark the moment Delhi was reconstituted as Union Territory in 1956? Answer is 2. 1st November 2025. Puducherry Liberation Day is observed annually on 1st November to mark Puducherry liberation from nearly 300 years of French rule in which year? Answer is 3. 1954. To commemorate the formation of Karnataka state in 1956, which occasion was celebrated on 1st November 2025 in Karnataka? Answer is 2. 70th Kannada Rajyotishva. Which operation has been launched by Delhi police to identify and deport foreign nationals who are living illegally in the western range of Delhi? Answer is 3. Operation Clean Sweep. The US government has ended the production of which legal tender on 12th November after more than 230 years of production? Answer is 2. 1 cent coins or pennies. Which Indian group has delivered the first human-rated L-110 Vikas engine to the ISRO for the Gaganyaan human spaceflight mission? Answer is 1. Godrej Enterprise. Which joint military exercise was conducted for the 11th time at the Foreign Training Node, Belgavi, in Karnataka from November 10 to 23? Answer is 3. Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025. Which country has donated 8 cheetah to India under Project Cheetah to assist in the regeneration of cheetahs' population across India? Answer is 2. Botswana. Which Indian shooter won gold medal and set world record in men's 10-meter air rifle with 252.2 points at the 2025 Deaflympics in Tokyo? Answer is 1. Dhanush Shrikant. How many votes did the BJP win in 2025 Bihar Legislative Assembly election? Answer is 1. 89. What is the rank of India in 2025 Henley Passport Index with visa-free access to 57 countries? Answer is 1. 85 rank. Which Indian city will host the 10th Global Economic Summit and the 6th World Trade Expo from 21st November? Answer is 2. Mumbai. India has signed one-year deal to import 2.2 million tons of LPG from which country? Answer is 3. USA. Who was sentenced to death by the International Crimes Tribunal in Bangladesh due to crimes against humanity? Answer is 4. Both 1 and 2. Sheikh Hasina ex-Prime Minister and Asadussaman Khan Kamal ex-Home Minister. Which space company has launched its own booster rocket New Glenn for the first time and become the second to achieve this milestone? Answer is 2. Blue Origin. Who was awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his sixth novel, Flesh? Answer is 1. David Saleh. The first Indian state to implement the amended BharatNet scheme throughout its state is? Answer is 3. Punjab. The US Congress approves a bill to release government documents related to which late convicted sex offender and billionaire? Answer is 2. Jeffrey Epstein. Which Indian IDEX won the Accelerating the Autonomous Robotics Revolution challenge under the Vista track at 2025 Dubai Air Show? Answer is 1. Sagar Defense. Who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time on 20th November 2025 at Gandhi Maidan? Answer is 2. Nitish Kumar. Which app was launched by the Telangana government on WhatsApp to improve access and convenience for people seeking government-to-citizen services? Answer is 3. MeSeva. Which of the following has been officially declared as partner country for the 2025 Hornbill Festival by the state of Nagaland? Answer is 4. All of the above. Which organization released over 29 lakh rupees to the Odisha Forest Department for the conservation and protection of red sanders? Answer is 1. National Biodiversity Authority (NBA). Which Indian state will host a Grand National Pediyatra to celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India? Answer is 2. Gujarat. Which state chief minister inaugurated the new Ramakrishna Mission College, the very first college by Ramakrishna Mission in the entire northeastern state of India? Answer is 3. Meghalaya Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma.